Welcome back, fellow food geeks. It's good to have you back. I hope you're all doing well, and you'll get even more well when you see what we are making today. So we are making golgappe ka pani or pani puri water or batashe ka pani. You can call it by any name. Rose with any name is as sweet, and golgappe ka pani with any name is as delicious. So let's quickly get started on the recipe. For the herb mix, which is the first thing we require, or the chutney, which is the base for all the kind of panis, we're making 3. We need 1 bunch of coriander with the stems, and along with that we are going to blend 2 bunches of mint. I have now taken the leaves out. Make sure there are no stems in between. And along with these 2 things, we also require a few spices. So we need 1 teaspoon of black salt, 1 teaspoon of white salt, 4 to 5 green chilies, which are optional, and we require 1 inch piece of ginger, 1 teaspoon asafoetida. Now my asafoetida is mild, so that's why, and 1 teaspoon roasted cumin. So here I've blended all the things that I've mentioned. And next we need seedless tamarind, around 50 grams. I soaked it in hot water, and then I took out all the plasticky feeling things and seeds, if there are any left from it, and made an extract, a pulp. Then I sieved it and made an extract. Just remove all these things, put it through a sieve, and you will get the extract. All this needs to be thrown, otherwise you won't be able to make the water properly. So this we have. Let's start with the khatta meetha pani, which is the sweet and tangy water, which is the first water that we're making. For that we are taking 3 teaspoons of the herb mix or the chutney mix, which we made earlier, and in that we'll add water. Now I am adding approximately 2 to 3 cups of water. You may adjust the water according to your requirement. If you want it less spicy, you can add more water. To this I'm also going to add 2 teaspoons of tamarind extract, which I've made. You can add more if you feel like. This is khatta meetha pani, so everything has to be in a balance here. Now I'm going to add lime juice, around 3 teaspoons of lime juice. You can add a little bit more, entirely up to you. And now I'm adding 3 teaspoons of sugar. So my sugar is granulated, more or less powdered, so I'll quickly give it a mix, and the sugar will incorporate inside the water. And now I'm going to add some red chili powder. I have Kashmiri red chili powder. This is only for the color. It will not add any spiciness. So I'm taking 1 teaspoon of that. And along with that I'm adding a little bit of black salt per your taste. Please adjust the salt as per your taste. So if you think it needs more, add more, but use the black salt instead of the white salt, and then taste it. This is perfect, and this is ready. We are now going to add the bundi to it. Now bundi is nothing but chickpea flour fried up into small balls, and it tastes really nice. I'm adding too much because my son loves them. He asks for extra bundi each time, so that's why. And please only bottle it in glass jars. It will stay good in the fridge for approximately 5 days. The next one is imli ka pani or tamarind water. For that we need the extract or the pulp of half cup of tamarind. This is tamarind extract or tamarind pulp, half cup of that. Along with that we need 4 teaspoons of the coriander herb mix, which we made. Now we're going to add some salt. You can add black salt if you don't want to add white salt. I'm going to add a little bit of both. Because it's very sour, so it needs more salt. Always if you want to fight sourness, you need more salt. And if you have something has more salt, and to fight the salt, you need more sourness. They actually sort of fight each other on the taste. So if you have something in which you put too much salt, the tip is to add a little bit of lime juice, and it won't be too salty. 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder again. And now we're going to give it a good mix, and then add the bundi again. Do you know how Pani Puri came into being? So one day Kunti, who was the mother of the 5 Pandavas, asks her daughter-in-law, that is Draupadi. She says, Draupadi, why don't you make a new dish for us, and all the 5 brothers, all your 5 husbands should like it. So Draupadi was very clever, and she concocted this recipe. Now if this is just a part of our mythology, or if it actually is something she concocted, I don't know. but it's delicious nevertheless. So thank you, Draupadi. The third one that we're making is hing ka pani. For that we'll need around 3/4 of a cup of the mint and coriander paste that we've made. You can add more or less according to your taste. It's perfectly alright, as much as you need. And the very important thing in this water is hing or asafoetida. And for the sourness, we are going to add 4 tablespoons of lime juice. Again, it's up to you. You can adjust the sourness. I think with this is ideal. Now we're going to adjust the salt. We're using a 3/4 teaspoon of black salt. You don't want to add white salt, just add black salt. It's up to you, but I'm going to add both of them. And we are going to need quite a bit of water to water it down because we're adding a lot of salt. Now we are going to take 3/4 of a teaspoon of hing. Now my hing is very mild, so that's why I'm adding a little more than usual. I'm using bandhani hing, which I've roasted with atta, so I need slightly more hing. So I'm going to add water. Now when I'm going to serve this, I will add even more water, but just for the sake of serving right now, it's a concentrated imli ka pani which I'm going to bottle, so I've not added much water. And as and when I require, I'm going to fill half a glass with this concoction and then add more water to it if I need to water it down, because I don't have those such big bottles that I can actually put in a lot of water in them. I've also added half a teaspoon of chaat masala because I felt it needed that. Remember, this is a concentrate. You might think that this has too much of salt. All these are concentrated mixtures and panis. You can absolutely add more water to it as you require. So I hope you like this recipe. Do give me a like, share and subscribe, press the notification bell and come back soon, because there is a whole lot of tangy deliciousness where this came from. Bye.